To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Assonance. In this video, we will learn about assonance. Assonance is the repetition of the same vowel sound in a sentence. This language device is used to make writing more interesting and fun for the reader. Assonance is usually used in poems. It also creates rhythm, sets the mood, and allows the sentences to flow. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Each vowel has two sounds, a short vowel sound and a long vowel sound. For example, Sam claps his hands and stamps his feet. In this example, the short vowel A is repeated. Another example is, the rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. In this example, the long vowel sound A is repeated.